This is not just a waterway. This is where the global economy breathes. The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow maritime corridor, only 33 kilometers wide at its tightest point. Every single day, nearly 20 million barrels of oil pass through here, almost a quarter of the world's total supply. If this strait stops, the world does not pause. It shakes. I believe Saudi Arabia would be the first casualty. That assumption is wrong. Saudi oil can still move through Red Sea ports like Jeddah, directly to Europe and the United States. The real victims: Kuwait, Qatar, the UAE, Bahrain. These economies depend almost entirely on this single choke point. One closure, and their exports freeze. A direct war with Iran carries massive risk. So the alternative: a maritime blockade, stopping Iranian oil tankers in the Arabian Sea. But Iran's response would be immediate and dangerous, seizing Western oil tankers inside the Strait of Hormuz. That is where the pressure flips. European governments, facing energy shortages, would turn on Washington. Oil prices would surge. $200 per barrel is no longer unthinkable. Ironically, OPEC states, Russia, Iran, even Gulf producers would profit